Are you ready for another challenge, another opportunity to let it go? This week it's about backpacks and tote bags. Whatever you use to schlep that stuff to and from work, school, volunteer work, let's gather up those bags and let's let some of them go, especially if you have too many. If they're cluttering up your closets, a shelf in the basement, wherever there may be hooks in a closet, the closet floor, gather them all up. Let's take a look at them and see what you no longer need. The ones that you don't use, maybe they're freebies and you haven't used them because they're not the right size, they're not the right type, let them go. Donate them to a charity or to a friend that may need them. Even food banks take the reusable grocery bags. They're always in need of those sorts of bags. What about the bags that have a zipper that no longer functions? Or they have holes in the bags. The straps are falling off. The straps are broken. There's a funky smell to the bag. Or there's a stain that won't come out. I think it's time to pitch those. What do you think? Evaluate, pitch, no guilt, no worries, no fears. Let them go and you'll free up space and you'll feel great knowing you have another win under your belt. These challenges come at you every week, so please subscribe so you'll receive a notification if you click on the bell that there's a new challenge available. And comment below, right down here, yes, if you're going to participate in this challenge. I would love to hear that you're going to participate. You can do this. I'm Jill Annis, the owner of Simply Organized. I'm your compassionate, non-judgmental organizing expert. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.